So last period we had seen the meaning of trial balance, preparation of trial balance and objectives of trial balance. So today now I will show the items related to trial balance. So I will ask, so you have to tell where it will come. So next, first, cash in hand. So we are preparing trial balance. You have to tell where it will come, debit or credit. Cash in hand. So Femina, where it will come, cash in hand, asset or where it will come, debit or credit. Femina. Where?
Credit.
Cash and whether it is asset or liability.
Credit.
Yes, asset or liability, you tell. Asset or liability, cash.
Liability.
Liability. So if you have a cash in your hand, that whether it is asset or liability. Cash.
Sir, liability.
Liability. So if you have liquid cash, if you have cash in hand, Femina, you tell. Asset or liability? Cash. Anila, cash.
Sir, debit.
Debit. Why?
Asset.
Yes. Okay. You understood, Femina? Cash is our asset. Okay. Asset debit, liabilities credit, credit, expenses debit, incomes credit. Next, cash at bank. Cash at bank. Hanna, debit or credit? Cash at bank. So if you have deposit in your bank, debit or credit? Hanna Salim. Yes, debit. Okay, because it is asset. Okay, cash in hand, cash at bank. Next, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. Aparna, debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
Debit, because it is debtor is
Sir, it is asset. That means they would give you the money.
asset. Next, sales. Sales. Sales, debit or credit? Anjo.
Credit.
Yes, credit. Sales, credit. Next, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. Anat, where it will come?
Credit.
Credit. Because it is liability. It is liability. Next, sales return. Sales we wrote. Next, sales return. Karthik, sales return.
Debit.
Debit. Sales, credit, sales return, debit. Opposite only purchase and purchase return. Next, purchases. Purchases. Aditya, purchases. Aditya Satyam. Debit or credit?
Debit.
Yes, debit. Okay. Purchases, debit. Next, purchase returns. Purchase returns. Purchase returns. Purchase returns. Atul, debit or credit? Purchase return. Credit. Okay. Purchase debit. Purchase return credit. Okay. So cash in hand debit, asset, cash in bank, debtors, asset, sales income, revenue, credit, sundry creditors, liability, sales return debit, purchase debit, purchase return credit. Next. Next, capital. Capital, Shubham. Capital, debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit. Correct. Capital is credit. Next, drawings. 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 Next one. Karthik, drawings,
Debit.
debit. Okay. Capital, credit, drawings. Amount withdrawn by the owner for his personal use. So their amount will decrease. That is debit. Capital, credit, drawings, debit. Next, bills receivable. Bills receivable. Bills receivable. Aparna, bills receivable.
Sir, debit.
Yes, debit. It is asset. Bills receivable, asset. Next, bills payable. Bills payable. Anila, bills payable.
Sir, credit.
Bills payable, credit. Next, opening stock. Opening stock. Opening stock. Anat, opening stock.
Sir, debit.
Yes. Opening stock, debit. Next, bank loan. Bank loan. Femina, bank loan.
Sir, credit.
Credit, correct. It is liability, 60,000. Okay, bank loan, credit. Next, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Asset or liability. Hanna, bank overdraft.
Credit.
Correct. Credit, it is liability. Bank overdraft. Next, carriage inward. Transportation expense for purchase of raw material. Carriage inward, carriage outward means transportation expense for sale. After production, we have to sell our product. So for that, so carriage inward. Aditya, carriage inward.
Sir, debit.
Debit. Okay, same like carriage outward, both expense only, that also debit. Carriage inward, carriage outward. Now, next item, rent paid, rent paid. Anjo, Anjo, rent paid,
Debit.
debit. 3,000 expense. Next, interest paid, interest paid, interest paid. Shubham, interest paid, interest paid, expense. Yes, debit. Next, salary paid, salary paid. Atul, salary paid, Atul, debit. Okay, 1,000. Next, discount received, discount received, discount received. Aparna, discount received.
Sir, credit.
Yes, okay, credit because income 4,000. Next, commission received, commission received. Mina, commission received, commission received, whether it is expense or income.
Credit.
Okay, income. Okay, if it is paid, that is expense. If it is received, that is income. Okay. Next, plant and machinery, plant and machinery. Anila, plant and machinery.
Sir, debit.
Yes. Next, building, building, building. Aditya, building, Aditya Satyan, building. Aditya, building. Unmute.
Sir, debit.
Debit. Yes, because it is asset. Next, furniture. Furniture. Hanna Salim, furniture.
Debit.
Debit. Next, vehicles. Vehicles. Shubham, vehicles. Vehicles.
Credit.
So whether it is asset or liability, vehicles,
Liability.
liability. If you have vehicle, motorcycle, motor car, whether it is your asset or liability,
Asset.
asset. So it will be
Debit.
yes. Next, next, goodwill. Next item, goodwill. Goodwill. Atul, goodwill. Debit. Intangible assets. Intangible assets. Intangible assets. Intangible assets. Next, provisions. Provisions. Provisions for doubtful debt. Suppose if we sold goods on credit to any customer, we are thinking that from that, out of that only we will get. So from profit we will keep some reserve for meeting the future losses, that is provisions. Okay, so where it will come? Provisions like a reserve only. Anyone? Provisions. Provision for bad debt.
Credit.
Credit. Okay, bad debt, debit only, it is a loss. But if it is a provision, so that is liability. Okay, so we are keeping as a reserve, but it will utilize in the future. So that is provisions. Any provisions? Provision for doubtful debt. Okay, provision for depreciation. That is example of provisions. It will come credit side. Okay, example, provision for doubtful debt. Doubtful debt. Or provision for depreciation. Okay. Next, outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses. It is an adjustment item. You have to look whether it is asset or liability. Karthik, outstanding expenses.
Credit.
Credit, correct, it is liability. Okay, outstanding expenses, liability. Next, prepaid expenses. It is also an adjustment item. Prepaid expenses. Expenses paid in advance. Expenses paid in advance. Anuj. Debit or credit? Asset or liability? Prepaid expenses. Next year expenses we paid this year. Expenses paid in advance.
Asset.
Asset. So
Debit.
yes, debit. Next, accrued income. Accrued income. Accrued income means this year income, still we didn't get that income. Suppose we invested 1 lakh amount in the bank. So 10% is the interest. So we have to get 10,000, but we got only 6,000. So remaining 4,000. That is accrued income. Accrued income. Accrued income. Where it will come? Anjo, asset or liability? Outstanding income, not outstanding expense. Tell whether it is correct or not. Tell. Accrued income. This year income, still we didn't get that income.
Debit.
Debit, correct. It is asset. It is asset. Okay. Outstanding expense, that is liability. So this year's salary, we have to give 24,000, but we given only 20,000. So that 4,000 is outstanding expenses, our liability. Okay. Then this year we have to get is outstanding income, that will become asset. Next, income received in advance. Income received in advance. Income received in advance. Aparna.
So credit.
Credit, because it is liability. Income received in advance or pre-received income. Pre-received income. Okay, a prepaid expense or unexpaid expenses. That it is income received in advance. Prepaid expenses, expense paid in advance. Next year expense we paid this year, that is our asset. But next year income we received this year, that will become liability. So if anything happened, it will create a problem. Okay, next, reserve. Any reserve, general reserve or capital reserve, anything? Atul, where it will come? Reserve. From credit. Okay, credit. Because from profit we are keeping, but afterwards we have to utilize. Means why, you know, profit and loss account. If profit is there, it will become a liability. Suppose if you are writing profit and loss account, profit, that will become credit, liability only. Why? After that, we have to distribute that profit to the shareholders. Clear? Reserve also. Reserve means every year we are keeping some amount as a reserve from profit for meeting the, for giving to the shareholders, or for meeting the which future expenses. Clear? So after that we have to utilize. That is why it is a liability. Reserve, profit, that is liability, because after that we have to distribute. Okay, so these are the main item related to which one? Trial balance. Okay, any doubt related to trial balance? Now it is clear now. So now you understood. I think that majority the item I covered. So now you can easily do. Okay, any doubts? Anyone? So we will do the second question. Okay. So we will do the second question. Now after the exam, now if you get a time, the remaining you can do after the exam. Now no need to do anything. Now you can study. So next we'll start second question. I sent in the group. Second question, prepare a trial balance. First one, opening stock. Opening stock. Opening stock. Anila, fast we are going. Opening stock. Fast you have to tell. Debit or credit? 20,000. Next, purchases. Purchases. So anyone have to tell purchases?
So debit.
Debit, 85,000. Next, purchase returns. Purchase returns. Where?
Credit.
Credit, 5,000. Next, sales. Where?
Credit.
Yes, credit. Okay, next sales return. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Sales returns were
Debit.
debit 6,200. Next rent. Rent were
Debit.
debit. One thing you have to remember, if any expense is there, only expense they specify. No paid, no received, then it is expense only. Rent, salary, advertisement, only that item means expense. Debit. Clear? Next, salaries. Salaries. Tell. Shubham. Salary. Anjo, salary.
Debit.
Okay. Next, advertisement. Femina, advertisement. Debit. Next, commission received. Commission received. Hannah, commission received.
Credit.
Yes, very good. 1,440. Next, discount credit. Discount, 1 minute, discount credit, it is given. Then no need to look everywhere. Discount credit means discount received. Okay? Because discount paid also, discount received also there. That's why they specified discount credit. Next, next after next furniture. Furniture. Atul, furniture. Debit. Next, missionary. Shubham, missionary.
Debit.
62,000, correct. Missionary, 62,000. Debtors. Debtors. Annette, debtors.
Debit.
Creditors. Creditors.
Credit.
Credit. Okay. Next, bills receivable. Bills receivable. Aparna, bills receivable.
That debit.
Debit. Asset. Next, bills payable. Bills payable. Opposite. Next, cash in hand. Femina, cash in hand.
Sir, debit.
Debit. So, credit. You said it is a liability. That time I want to me because it is your liability now. No need to carry cash. Give to me. Okay, that is debit. Next, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft. Anila, bank overdraft.
Credit.
Credit, correct. 10,000. Next, interest on overdraft. So I didn't teach it. Interest on overdraft. You look at it, it is liability. Interest on overdraft. That is interest only. 10,000 some percentage. That is expense or gain. That you have to look at. Loan liability, that interest, expense or gain. So interest on overdraft, expense or gain, interest on overdraft. Aparna.
Sir, debit.
Debit, correct. Okay, interest on loan. So if example, if you don't know that extra, you have to write interest on loan, interest on overdraft. That is expense. That will become debit. Okay, but interest on investment, credit. Interest on investment, because investment is asset. We invested amount in the bank, then we will get interest. So interest on investment is credit, income. Okay, but interest on loan and interest on bank overdraft, that is expense. Next, capital, already you know that is credit. Then drawings, debit 7,800. Okay, then you have to balance. So you will get the both sides should be equal. Clear? Now it is easy, no? Trial balance. So one more question is there. So after the trial balance, you can ask journal, ledger, double column cash book. Okay, purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return. Okay, so whatever we studied, that only you have to look. Okay, thank you.